Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about IOTX price prediction and IOTX news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for IOTX in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, IOTX has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, IOTX has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the IOTX blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of IOTX are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about IOTX. The decentralized machine economy-focused platform's head of business development, Larry Pang, said IOTX has committed to matching donations with 1 million IOTX tokens. On-chain and IOTX will ensure that 100% of the IOTX token donations are used only for humanitarian needs, Pang said. The donations will help people impacted by the war in Ukraine with food, shelter, and other humanitarian aid. The funds are not for war or other conflict-related efforts. The IOTX Foundation will match all donations up to 1 million IOTX. Anyone who donates more than 500 IOTX will receive a commemorative piece, not war NFT. Cryptocurrency is once again proof that it is an asset that can empower people from all corners of the world. A recent CNBC report reveals that as Russia's war on Ukraine rages for over 14 days, more than 102,000 is decoding the data in the storage of a smart contract at a specific memory location. It is provided as a native IOTX gRPC API call, React Contract Surge, and as an Ethereum JSON API call, at GetStorage. Gas fee value in GetActions API results. The value of the gas fee actually spent for a specific action was missing in the response object when querying action details. This value is now provided by any native or Ethereum API calls that return transaction details. Index values in transaction receipts and EVM logs upon 1.7.0 activation. When querying transaction receipts, the transaction index value as well as the log index value for each log entry in the EVM logs array is now provided. The transaction index field provides the position of the transaction in the block and is useful when transactions ordering is important. Log index provides the correct sequence of the EVM logs for contract execution. The blockchain release 1.2.0 marked a great milestone for IOTX developers. With native support of Ethereum signed transactions by the IOTX node and the release of the Ethereum JSON API service, Babel, the IOTX Ethereum compatibility was complete. This allows any Ethereum dApp to be ported to IOTX without requiring any change to the contracts, nor to the client code. However, the Ethereum API was implemented as an external service that had to be deployed separately and pointed to an actual IOTX node to make it work. With IOTX Core 1.7.0, the Ethereum API server is now integrated and perks announced in due time. The auction takes place in the game. On January 17th, the StarCrazy app will display a countdown clock, letting gamers know how much time remains before the January 18 auction that kicks off at 10 AM UTC GMT. However, each of the 100 planets is a unique NFT masterpiece created by highly talented artists and graphic designers. StarCrazy's performance is insane. The IOTX-powered P2E game has taken the blockchain gaming space by storm. It launched on September 27, 2021, and within 6 weeks, it already had over 3,000 players who, from the start, get hooked by its adorable stars characters, as commented by Angela Briggs-Scott of TechBillion. StarCrazy also features battles, reminiscent of Axia Infinity. But StarCrazy beats Axia in so many respects. Most notably, the fact that the StarCrazy token GFS is 100% player-owned, the article adds. The article compares StarCrazy with Axia, saying that it's part of the Ethereum ecosystem, which means fees are so high they take a bite out of players' game profits. In contrast, StarCrazy is part of the IOTX ecosystem, one of the most exciting blockchain networks today, the article says. Not only does the IOTX platform support scores of amazing projects, but the network has significantly lower rates than networks like Ethereum. It also says that IOTX provides an opportunity for players to engage in P2E and NFT games with fraction of a penny transaction fees. And unlike Axia tokens, StarCrazy assets are easy to deposit, convert or withdraw thanks to IOTX. 100% player-owned metaverse StarCrazy players also earn a percentage of every in-game transaction, and as previously mentioned, GFS is 100% player-earned and owned, making this game extremely fair and profitable to all. If that were not enough, StarCrazy's deflationary tokenomics means players' collections increase in value with time. It's almost unheard of for a game to give this many rewards and benefits exclusively. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX or whether IOTX will survive in the next few years are unknown. IOTX is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term IOTX price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents and a minimum rate of 64 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 78 cents. IOTX rate prediction 2028. The value of IOTX will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. IOTX is expected to top out at $1.11 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of IOTX will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of IOTX